Well, hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the Avon Parkfield underneath our new awning we built, our club members built. We're going to take up the Arrows Trekker, the Arrows Tecnam 2010. I've got the Gnss Performance Analyzer in it. We're going to start, it's inside the plane, I'll show you in a minute, but I want to show you, you got your plane back here, you've got a Bluetooth bound to the device that's in the plane, okay? Got the app going in your phone, okay? And let me show you what happens. All right.
Motor on.
All right, the plane's rolling, right? Or the plane's right there. I'm going to give it a little bit of forward throttle. I want you to watch the miles per hour here. See it move? The plane just moved a little bit. So that way I know that I'm reading, okay? So, right, left, up, down, right, left. All right.
Experienced mode, stability mode, AS3X mode.
Alright. This is just a good solid flying plane, right?
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Good solid scale plane. I'm going to take it up, flip it. That should give my speed reading right there. Okay. Let me get her turned around here. A little windy. Whoa. I am dealing with a severe cross breeze right now. Alright. Prop secured. Go back to our performance analyzer. Okay. And we're going to hit stop. Stop. Hit read. And we got her up to 203 feet and 63 miles an hour. So go back. Okay. And we're going to hit start again. Okay.
Experienced mode, motor on.
And I'm looking down at my performance analyzer and making sure I'm seeing some readings. Make sure she's moving. Okay. Right, left, up, down. All right. It is hot today, but it's late, middle of May 2024. All right, here we go. Like I say, the plane is not a speed demon by any.
Time remaining.
It's a scale flying plane. There. That was full speed against the wind. So, can't get her landed here. Whoa. Kind of a rough and tumble there. Let me see if I can't improve upon that. Come on.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Good flying plane. Might want to work a bit of rudder in your turn. All right. All right. Take her back underneath the canopy. And see what kind of speed rating we got.
Prop secured.
All right, prop secured. Okay, we're going to hit stop, read, 60 mile an hour and 177 feet. So not too bad. 60 mile an hour, 177. All right, so turn your app off, and that'll turn the Gnss performance analyzer off. Okay, and because that way it'll stop searching for satellite. To show you where I've got it. I've got it right there. If you see, all the lights are off on the front of it. That means it's completely turned off. And which is what you, now if you find that this, even though you've turned the app off and you still have these lights staying on, there's a little reset button right there where my thumb is. You just simply stick a little pin in there and reset it, and that'll help it out. And that'll make it where it resets back to its factory settings, and it will turn itself off. It's supposed to turn itself off after 30 seconds once you've turned the app off. I found that mine sometimes gets hung up after I've been using a lot and it wants to stay on, so that's all you have to do. But I've had absolutely no problem with it at all. That's what they see. I just turned the app back on and it turned back on, but we're underneath the metal canopy right now. Oh well, it found satellite anyways. But if you look, see how I'm moving the satellite in my hand? See the reading here? And when I go up and down, it shows the footage off the earth back down to 0. I'm holding still now, so now it stays still. So anyways, it's just a good little app to have. It gives you, now I've had it in the truck, and I've gone down the highway at 65 mile an hour and had it running, and sure enough it read right at 65. So I know it's really accurate. So well, anyways, that's the Gnss performance analyzer. You get this, so there'll be a link to it and also a link to the Tecnam in the video, and where you can get this at Motion RC. Be an affiliate link in there for you. You can purchase it, and all you do is just put some Velcro on the back of it, download the app. There'll be a little picture code things you can take with your phone. Installs the app. The app is free, costs nothing. Put some Velcro, put this in the back of your plane. You can put it anywhere in the plane. It doesn't interfere with the signal of the plane, just as long as it's got view up. Anywhere where it gets view up. I'm putting it almost, and it can go sideways, it can go catty corner, so its space doesn't really matter, as long as it's got where you can see it. So it goes, the signal goes through the foam, no problem. Well, anyways, there you go. That's the rundown on the Gnss Performance Analyzer. There'll be a link of where you get it at. I've explained its use. All you do is you put it in your plane. Now, when you first I forgot this. When you first come out here, put it in your plane, okay? Turn your app on, okay? And then when this shows up, that shows you got satellite, and you'll see it on your performance. It takes about 30 seconds for it to find its satellites the first time, but then from that point on, for the rest of the day you're using it, it finds the satellites almost immediately. But I do suggest you turn it off after each use. See, the Bluetooth just went out, and here in a second the satellite will go out. Watch it make a liar out of me. But if you find that even though you've turned it off, you turned your app off, and it doesn't go out, just go in there with a pin and hit that reset button, and it'll turn off. but you won't lose the Bluetooth. See, it just turned off. It won't lose the Bluetooth connection. Now, if I put another plane here in 10 minutes from now, turn on the app. See, watch this. I'll turn on the app. Turn that back on. Looky there. It turned right back on. And here in just a moment, I'm going to hit flying. Look at that. It already, there, it found the satellites. It's just that quick. Now, the first time you do that, though, that procedure I just did, it'll take it about 30 seconds to a minute to find the satellites. But after that, it finds it really quickly. All right, well, that's the rundown on the Gnss Performance Analyzer, and I showed you how to use it and gave you an example of it being used. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And Hobby Zone, thank you for sending out the Tecnam. It's a great flying plane. Just a cross breeze today, it's a little hard to land it. But y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. And don't forget, stay family and friends, then jets. Bye-bye. Or planes, not jets.